mile in the pier, that's what I know. Look at this house, like a barn, an old barn. I like it. I wonder would I be able to get back to Limerick along the river here. We'll have a look. Shannon airport over there, across the river. Very windy here, I don't want to fall in there. I need to wash that helmet again, and the bike as well. Look at the state of that. Someone's out in the boat. Right behind the boat there's a plane landing there, Shannon. Right. Well, if I wanted to go back to Limerick, I'm heading the wrong direction, but this path is very inviting. Someone's here to walk their dog now. Kitty. Interesting looking house. Like they forgot to put a roof on. Can I go that way? Melon stud. I keep coming down these roads trying to just stay as close to the river going back to Limerick, and I keep getting hit with dead ends. Hello, hello, hello. Do you want a pet? Come here. the bays. We're now back at the river. Oh, shit. Lovely. I'm hungry now. Size of that dog. Just starting to put up the circus tent. I wonder would they take a hand.